can do it. I can do it. I can do it.
Relax and take it easy.
Today's my first vehicle crash test, and I'm counting on your guidance and support. I heard working at Chery Crash Safety Lab is a good job.
Absolutely. And the best part is,
It's lifelong and a good job. I've been here since the lab was founded in 2010. Since then, we've conducted nearly 10,000 collisions.
Wow! It's the largest crash test lab in Asia since it was established in 2010. That's so cool!
absolutely. Besides our world-class facilities, we have an industry-leading team of colleagues. The engineers we work with are incredibly creative. They design car crash tests every day, all to prevent potential dangers in real life.
Well, does crashing cars day in and day out really secure us a lifelong career?
You see, after working for 14 years, I'm still in great health because our cars are very safe. We are well protected, so injuries are rare. But just to be safe, we have regular medical checkups. Our team's diversity in gender and age fosters an inclusive and vibrant workplace. We draw upon the diverse strengths of our team members to ensure the safety of others.
Joining Chery was definitely the right call.
Buckle up.
I wasn't hurt!
Of course, it's the Tigo 8. The Tigo 8's anti-collision beam, made of high-energy absorbing aluminum alloy. The Tigo 8's anti-collision beam absorbs most of the impact energy during a crash. The ultra-high-strength materials significantly enhance the vehicle's structural resistance to collisions, ensuring the passenger cabin's integrity. That's why we are safe in here. In addition to the standard 6 airbags, the Tigo 8 also features a driver knee airbag, a center seat airbag, and 2 second-row passenger side airbags, providing comprehensive protection. After a collision, the side airbags can retain pressure for up to 6 seconds, ensuring continuous protection during potential secondary impacts.
Good job! When is our next crash test?
Don't rush, buddy. With talent like yours, the possibilities at Chery are endless.
Whoa! I'm ready! Let's make another successful car crash! Woohoo!